Are you having trouble opening Google Chrome? Today, I am going to show you 8 ways to fix it. Welcome to F1 Expat, my name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1. Restarting the computer. This is one of the best ways to resolve most computer problems, so try restarting your computer before continuing. Once the computer is started, see if Chrome will load. Number 2. Close out all browsers, exit out of Google Chrome and make sure it is closed. Right-click the Windows icon on your desktop and select Task Manager. Select Details and look for Chrome.exe. Once you find it, right-click Chrome.exe and select End Process Tree. Do the same for any other browsers you may be using like Windows Edge, Opera, or Safari. Now try to open Google Chrome. Number 3. Run System File Checker. Select the search icon from your taskbar. Type in CMD. Select Run as Administrator. A black screen will open. Type in sfc/scan now. This will take a while to process. When the file checker is completed, and you see a message stating it found corrupt files and successfully repaired, then see if Chrome will open. Number 4. Change the compatibility settings. Select your file folder. Select the drive where your Windows 11 is located, it is usually on the C drive. Select Programs, x86. Select Google. Select Chrome. Select Application. Right-click the Google Chrome icon. Select Properties. Select Compatibility. Put a check mark in the box below Compatibility Mode. A drop-down window will open. Now select the most recent Windows version being displayed. Under Settings, select Run as Administrator. Select Apply and select OK. Right-click on the Google Chrome icon again and select Open File Location. Right-click on the Chrome.exe file and select Send to. Select the desktop. Go back to your desktop and you should now see another Google icon. Delete the older icon. Now try and open Google Chrome. Number 5. Rename the default folder. Select the search icon from your taskbar. Type in the %sign followed by local app data ending with the %sign and hit Enter. Search for the Google file folder, select it and now select the Chrome folder. Now select User Data and look for the default folder. If you don't see it, make sure your folder options are set to enable to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Right-click your mouse and select Rename. Rename the file as Default Old. Now try and start Chrome. Number 6. Run Troubleshooter. Select the search icon from your taskbar. Type in Troubleshoot Settings and hit Enter. Select Other Troubleshooters. Select Run next to Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Select Google Chrome. Select one of the troubleshooting options. Hopefully this fixes your Chrome. Number 7. Run Chrome without extensions. Select the search icon from your taskbar. Type Run and hit Enter. The Run box will open. Type chrome.exe disable extensions. Now try and open Chrome. If Chrome opens without a problem, select the 3 dots and select More Tools. Select Extensions. Disable or remove one by one the extensions and restart Chrome each time until you find the extension that is causing the problem. Number 8. Reinstall Chrome. Select the search icon in your toolbar. Type in Add or Remove Programs and hit Enter. Search for Google Chrome. Select the 3 dots on the right. Select Uninstall. Open up another browser and search for the Google Chrome app download and reinstall Chrome. If one of these solutions worked for you, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.